Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok bottle. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok bottle, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of TikTok and you will enter. Then here in this page, you should to go to first stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, here you should to go to click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff, as you see, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching.